Hello. Hi. Hello. My name is Jackson. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Fish Flicks, where you're gonna watch me watch a movie. Okay. I know it's been a minute. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Calm down. Calm down.
Calm down.
After that Barbie video, I just didn't want to do anything. So I didn't. But now I'm back. So this week we are watching The Block Island Sound. It is on Netflix. It just came out last year, sometime in 2020. I don't know like anything about this. You know when you're on Netflix and you like hover over a thing and it just plays that little clip or whatever? That's all I've seen. Okay. What is actually happening? See, it's not coming out. Where is it? Did I get it? I think I did. Anyway, that's all I know about it. On purpose. Did not watch a trailer or anything. I just want to be pleasantly surprised. Or pleasantly let down. Whichever the case. So this could suck. So if it does, sorry. By the way, there will be spoilers galore. So be warned. Don't come at me. Cheers. Let's watch this mother. Get these guys in there. There's no one there. You sleeping? Sleeping on the job? Somebody's getting fired. What's that? Wait. Was the dog attached to that? No! Well, I hate it so far, because not even 1 minute in, there's apparently a dead dog.
House cats have this parasite called toxoplasmosis. You know what it does? It makes field mice not scared of cats anymore.
Look at them. Got four. I hope all these dudes die. Especially him. He's annoying. I feel like if you're like being annoying at the beginning of the movie, you're gonna die. Okay. Oh no. Oh, it's a bird. Oh no.
Dad. What are you doing out here?
Want to go on a field trip? My brother's just kind of, I don't know.
An asshole?
Emily.
Ooh. Okay, who wakes up to an actual, like, clock nowadays? Who does that? Your phone is your clock. Took the boat again.
Where were you?
I took the boat out this morning.
Clearly.
This morning or last night?
What's going on down at West Beach?
My gosh.
You know, why don't we go try to catch some frogs in the marsh?
What is the problem?
You okay?
You bet.
Clearly not.
What's this?
Uncle Harry said I could keep him.
Oh, he did he? Don't you think this frog is gonna miss his family?
Uncle Harry said you take animals from the water all the time.
That's different. Most of them go back in the ocean.
But not all of them.
Almost. We're studying them so we can get to know them better.
Oh my gosh. What is going on?
Hey, what's going on?
Maybe she had a nightmare. She fell out of bed.
What?
He's gone.
Why don't you like take the boat keys from him or something?
He's over there.
Where?
What's that noise?
Jesus Christ, what the hell happened to him?
This time of year, someone your dad's age, every hour that goes by, the odds get worse.
Great. She's like really chill with the idea of her dad dying at sea. hate this. Like, I love the ocean and all, but the ocean is terrifying. What?
I'm worried about you.
Audrey, I'm fine.
Jen's coming in a few days.
Pause. What I don't understand is why in like scary movies or like any movie in general, when something like weird happens to a person and then someone asks them what happened, they're like, nothing, I'm fine. Dumb! Just tell people what's happening. It's dumb and stupid, and not telling anybody doesn't help anybody. Oh no.
That's him.
Yikes.
Do you need a minute?
It's all connected. Dead birds in the water, dead fish in the water, your dad in the water.
Oh, it's connecting the dots. Oh, no. What are those? What the? Is that just regular throw up? Oh, no. Is that just regular throw up? Or is that wormy squirmies throw up?
How's you want?
Jeez.
What? Oh my god. No. I do not approve of anything that's happening right now. I do not approve. Are you finally going to tell your sister what the happened to you in the ocean?
Tell me what's going on.
Tell her. Tell her everything.
Oh, he'd be so confused, he'd just black out. It's happening to me, Audrey.
I'd like you to talk to a friend of mine. He had similar issues a few years back.
What? No. No! What the hell? No! No! Ugh. Well, he went somewhere. No. I hate this movie. This movie is rotted. This movie is it's bad. Obviously, it's some kind of aliens or something. Why they gotta have the dogs? Why they gotta take all the dogs?
The Petersons' dog went missing last night. Did you have something to do with that?
Yep.
I didn't do it.
Liar.
Just let me go for you. I don't want to see you get hurt by some crazy guy living in the woods. You mean too much to me, okay?
I can't have this conversation right now.
Audrey.
Listen, if you
Period.
want to help,
Not the time.
keep an eye on Emily.
Not the time for
I gotta
this.
do this myself.
Annie, okay. We talking aliens.
Okay.
More importantly, dogs are missing.
Are you Kurt?
Who are you?
I'm Audrey. Dr. Koch gave me your information. I was hoping to ask you some questions. I think my brother might be suffering from your same affliction.
You gotta get him away from there. They start small, monitoring what we eat, what we interact with. Pretty soon they want more.
Those DVDs are brand new.
Don't you understand? He's their vessel now. Them.
Aliens. The aliens are telling him to leave it to the straight hand. Fall asleep. It went crazy. Excuse me. Wait, what the?
I know it's confusing, but most of the fish we take out of the water, we put right back in just a few days later. We're learning about them. We're studying them so we can get to know them better, so we can help them better. But by taking some brave fish out of the water and learning about them, we can eventually help all the other fish.
Woo! Okay, so this was full on aliens. Just full on aliens, snitchy, snatching people and aminals. Mostly dogs and fish. That was wild and crazy and ridiculous. That's so great that the mother got like spared or whatever. Like full circle. That was a full circle movie moment type thing. I don't know why when I like first started this movie, aliens was not what I was thinking. I don't know what I thought it was. I thought it was gonna be some kind of like creature. That was pretty good. I mean, like I said, it kept me guessing, kept me freaked out the whole time. Like, why the aliens gotta have animals? Just snatch up some humans. Thank you for watching. This has been Fish Flicks. My name is Jackson. Hopefully the next video I have for y'all will be another Barbie unboxing video. Stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.